Alright, hello, and where am I? Do you know where I am? Well, believe it or not, okay, if you look closely and you pay attention, you will see little clues that I have left dotted here and there and everywhere. Alright, and next week I will tell you where I am. Now, for today, what I'm going to do is an extremely easy and very healthy breakfast, alright, using this. This is quinoa, alright, full of protein and high fiber. Delicious. Now, everybody is always asking me, Marco, please, can you do something really simple and something to kickstart our day? So this is what I came up with. Now, the ingredients you can change, however, for me, the ingredients that I am going to use today works really well. Alright, so the quinoa, what I've done is, I've rinsed it, and the reason I've rinsed it with cold water obviously, is to take that bitterness off. Alright, and then I've cooked it in milk, little pinch of salt. Basically follow the instructions, okay, in the packet. It's simple as that. Quinoa is very simple to actually cook. Now, so as I said, I've cooked it in milk. Once the milk has all cooked up, evaporated, you're left with this, and just fluff it up with a fork. Now, I've got beautiful blueberries, all the way from the States. Okay, American blueberries, really nice. You can add as much or as little as you want. It's entirely up to yourself. I've got beautiful maple syrup. Maple syrup works very well with quinoa, blueberries, and some of these delicious almonds that I've got here. The almonds, what I've done is, these are flaked almonds. I've actually toasted them underneath a grill. If you don't have a grill, you can use a saute pan. Okay, just add the almonds in there, alright, and then just gently agitate the pan, alright, and just to keep the almonds moving, alright, so they don't burn. And what that does actually is you get this beautiful, lovely nuttiness, alright, from the almonds. So I'm going to sprinkle some in, alright, and I've got lemon. Now, lemon, quinoa, almonds, blueberries, maple syrup, it is just a match made in heaven. And then all I'm going to do is just grate some, okay. This is going to add a little bit of zestiness with that sweetness from the maple syrup and obviously the almonds. It's up to yourself on how much you want to add in, alright. I would say for a portion, maybe half a teaspoon or so of lemon zest, alright. Okay, just going to scrape all this. Now I've not added sugar, alright, no need to. So all I'm going to do now is actually fold this in. And the heat from the quinoa will gently, let me just move this. The heat from the quinoa, okay, will heat the lovely almonds, it will heat the maple syrup, and obviously these delicious blueberries. Now, if you don't want to use almonds, you can maybe use flax seeds, works very well. Hazelnuts as well, it's entirely up to yourself really. There is no rule of thumb. As I said earlier on in the video, that the ingredients that I've used here works really well together, alright. So, just fold everything in, alright. Now, that's it done. Really simple. The only thing that takes quite a long time is the actual cooking of the quinoa, because it takes between 20 and 25 minutes. So what I suggest, obviously it's a breakfast bowl, a breakfast cereal, as I said, to kickstart your day. What you can do, and I actually did this a couple of days back, is to prepare the quinoa the day before. Alright, and prepare a double portion, a double batch, and it keeps in the fridge, in the chiller. And then all you need to do is just heat in the microwave for about 45 seconds, 60 seconds, okay? nice and easy. So rather than cooking the quinoa that morning, okay, and especially if you're going to work, do it the day before. And as I said, it can last in the chiller for 2 days, no problem whatsoever. Okay, so that's it done. Now I'm going to come across here, all right, and I'm going to plate it. All right, so I'm going to plate this in here. All right, look at this. This is just so healthy. Quinoa is such a wonderful superfood. Now there it is, and I'm going to finish it off with a little bit more flaked almonds. I love toasted or flaked toasted almonds, really nice. Remember, when you're actually toasting the almonds, if you're going to do it in a saute pan, don't add any oil, okay? Almonds has its own oil. All nuts have their own oil. They carry their own oil. So you're actually toasting it from dry heat, okay? So I've got a little bit more of maple syrup, which I've just kept, and I'm just going to drizzle that here, there, and everywhere. Does that not look just yummy? Before the gym, have this. A little bit more flaked almonds, and I'm going to go across here, and I've kept some lovely blueberries back. Just going to put 4 or 5 here, 1 in the middle, and that is it. A lovely, beautiful, healthy breakfast bowl to kickstart your day. I hope you've been paying attention, all right? I have left little clues. Here's looking at you, kid, child.